This is the only remaining waterhole for miles around. Mugger crocodiles, giants, 5 meters long. Dozens are hiding beneath the surface, and others are on their way. This male has been traveling for hours. The waterhole is the only place where he has a chance to catch a deer. A single adult would be enough to feed him for the entire dry season. But hunting prey that knows you're here requires something truly remarkable. He creates a trap. He digs down into the mud, deep enough to hide beneath the vegetation. Perfect camouflage. He has built his trap right on the water's edge, so it's the first place that thirsty deer will come to drink. These crocodiles have learned to exploit the deer's desperate need for fresh water.